Test 1, test 2. Oh, there we go. Gonna have to start calling it Microphone Monday there in a minute if it wasn't working. How's everybody doing? Good morning. All right, I am late. What time is it? Helps if we have sound, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. I don't think we had any sound going there this morning. We're set up for Mentorship Monday. We've got triple ready ups here, so looking like an opportunity for a reversal. It is the between 940 and 950 spot where oftentimes we can get some reversals. I don't like that we've got a 9.7 Enigma sitting right in there, and that looks like a trap. So I'm going to hold here for a minute, get some bearings here on what's going on. High time frame, we've got the 89 right in the middle of the golden ropes. Give me a minute to get settled in here. I'm going to start looking around at the higher time frames first. Oh, I've got you guys on the screen. Y'all can see all... I'm over here like... Here you go, guys. In case you need to see this. Oh, I'm on a screen where you guys can see all 5 of my time frames. So I am already clearly having some... What do you even call this? Extreme anxiety here this morning. Oh, let's try and get my bearings here. Let me get the live stream pop out chat here. There we go. Now I can see the chat. And let's get this going over here with you guys.
Medium impact news event Chicago PMI. Divergence up EM on the 8th.
All right, so for news, yeah, so just heard the audio alert. We've got the Chicago PMI news event coming up here. Let me test something on the indicator list here.
Speed of YM82. Speed of YM82.
Okay, so that was news. News just came right in there. 9:45. All right, little push news there. Let me pull some of these from last week. Control R, let's remove that.
Speed of YM96. Enigma short on the EM1. Lower bands touch EM on the 38.
Dark F, you think it's all shorts today? That's a 22.8, so I'll give this as my first shot here this morning. Oops, don't have my ATM set either here this morning. Helps if we get the ATMs going there.
ECB's look on.
Little moonshot short there.
It's likely to be below
Target there at ET20 down below. That does look like a trap down below though, so I don't want to ride in on this too much. This is a neutral spot. I'm going to close out right there for a little bit there early. First trade of the morning there. Little moonshot short. Oh, my sound's not on either. Let's try this. All right, getting all that stuff going here this morning. Thanks for bearing with as we're getting things going. Don't forget, trading is risky in all that business.
61.
22.8 with the moonshot short there. Pretty easy one there for the first trade there this morning. Now we are coming in on moderate buy. I do think we'll have a pickup here. We've got multiple ready ups right here. I'm going to draw a zone. What we've kind of been starting to do is draw a different colored zone. I can get my tool to work. Hey, why is it not working? Okay, so I've got some other issues. My drawing tools are not working there this morning. On my short keys, what's going on here?
Speed of YM54.
Okay, so I'm having all kinds of technical issues here, and now I think I just accidentally dragged. All right, hold on. I'm going to restart NinjaTrader here. I just dragged my my indicators into an area at the bottom that I do not want to have to mess with, trying to adjust what panel it goes to. So give me just a moment here. I'm going to bring that back up. So while I'm pulling this up here, let's look for AO clusters. Anybody who has the other correlated instruments up, I did not see alpha omega clusters on the low time frame, but that doesn't mean they aren't on others. So someone said they believe it's going to trend all day, although I don't think this person is part of our crew, so I don't think they know how our system kind of gives us that information, but let's verify it. Does anybody see alpha omega clusters on any lower time frame on any correlated instrument? To indicate the continuation and the grinder trend type of day. I do not see that. So we will assume we get kind of our normal traps. Okay. Now if I can see if my tools are going to work here. So I'm trying to use the Control 2 highlight. Oops, no. Shift F2. I want to highlight this zone here, and I want to turn this
double
blue.
delta EM on the 1.
So I was anticipating the trap here. So this looks trappish. We've got straight legs. We've got a 4 LDT right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So lots of people are going to look for that continuation short. They're trying to get it to break that bottom. It likely will not. And so we will likely start to go up this way. Pretty easy to see. We also have the ready ups up here telling us higher time frame potential for a turning point. So I'll be looking for traps underneath this blue zone right here, and for us to return, if it's the big move, to return price up here is the idea there. Okay, something is going on with my news highlights over here. Like earlier the text wasn't there, and then now they're all there. Okay, I think I got another bug here in the news feed I need to fix here, so let's pull off that news highlight. Don't like what it's doing there. A bit messy. on the higher time frame. This probably looks fine on the lower time frame, but I'm using it on the higher, so I'm just gonna peel it off there. Let me make sure we don't have 10 a.m. or if we do, be ready for it. No 10 a.m. news, just that 9:45 is already passed.
YM53.
All right, so I'll be looking for this to come through this zone here, potentially to the upside. I want to see the middle of the zone, which is right about here, back of that shark there, and we just went to moderate buy. Strong buy now, so we've got 4 instruments kind of popping that. Yeah, I do need to turn off real-time protection. I think somebody just mentioned that a minute ago. I have not tested that yet here this morning. Thank you for that reminder. Okay, so middle of the zone is tapped. I'll see if we get to the other side, and potentially, I mean, it could do one of the big runs. I think it's a little bit early just for the amount of space that's there. All right, I'm going to kill it. Kill the rest. Okay, so target 1 there. I'm looking for something right around this area. King timing is coming up here in about 2 bars. So it is Mentorship Monday, so I'll be walking through and trying to talk through a lot more trades. That's winner, chicken dinner. That's trade number 2 there for me if you are using the trade tracker. So here on the left, bottom left of your screen right there, you'll see my hand kind of waving here over my 5 trade sheet that I've got there on my desk. However, if you want to use the electronic version of that, we can come out here to big picture here. You can use this one. This is algoboxpro.com/trade-tracker. So I've got winner, chicken dinner. So that should be enough to put the chicken dinner on the table. And now I'm looking for a bonus. Within 5 trades, I want to get 2 wins, put enough on the table. Here's king timing. I hear buyers stepping on king timing. This is basically just playing against a trap here for a little bonus tap. See if we get a little bit more on my bonus. Should put me over 1K for the session if we hit that target. I'm not going to risk too much here. I'm going to put this right up underneath that little beehive there. Hearing buyers step in there after the king timing.
Target filled.
Target's filled. That puts me over 1K. And the runner, there's another ready up. And we could shoot straight through that. Nope, double ready up. So go ahead and close out there. On a bonus, I'm just trying to add to the kitty. That will be 3 right there. We'll talk a little bit more through this here in a moment. This all started with this section right back here for the triple ready ups. Tells us one of these high time frames is probably turning. If I want to look over here to the right on which ones would be turning, well, we do see we had the structural blue dot coming in high time frame plus the divergence right back to the left of it. So we have it there. We also have the green bull touch over here. The 89 is the one that makes me a little bit nervous there because we did not get all the way into the golden ropes, and my anticipation from Friday where I had said if we have this little chugga chugga bam bam, then we probably chugga 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 like this. So we did that a little bit, but we only did it for, how many bars was this? We did this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars there. And now we broke down. So that was not my original structural anticipation. So that's off. So yeah, we'll see how this plays in this morning. Now we have a triple ready up that could be pushing us down farther. So I'm not just fully looking for that loop up here. It was easier to see these straight legs, smooth legs, 4LDT, 4LDT for the pop-ups into that zone. But this one right here, that is what reset that. Everybody understand that? If you understand that, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2. I'm going to grab a quick coffee refill here real quick after I am done with winner winner chicken dinner plus a bonus. Also want to label these. We had tied down. Wave actually tapped green. And we'll talk a bit more about it. Also, I'll go over this valid speed. If you guys have not seen this additional new feature that we put out in the most recent release, they're based on the psychology module. Talk about that here in just a minute as well. Let me grab that coffee refill and I will be right back and we'll talk about it.
Speed of YM82. Speed of YM82. Fib.em on
Double
the 30
delta.
em on the 1. Double delta em on the 1. J-hook long EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1.
Lagarde says we're not going to wait until everything is at 2% to reduced rates.
Speed of YM51.
And Lagarde says core inflation is on a downward trend.
DCDM EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1. DCDM EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1. Speed of YM54.
Alrighty then. Oh, and look at that. We got the triple ready up at the bottom and ended up fulfilling the entire trap, as I said was likely. Okay, so when I left, we took the trap, identified the trap appropriately, exited here because that could push it back down, which we were accurate. Let's press Control E here to see my exits. Yeah, like once, whoops. My drawing tools will work here this morning. So we know when that shows up, double ready up, yeah, that might turn, sure enough, did. So we reset here, but then, boom, look at this. Right, it's the same thing on the other side. And that was the final triple ready up pivot that pushes it all the way back up. And we make a run for fun. Tells me the higher time frame's coming in. And look at what that 89 ended up doing there. That's why I love the lower time frame multi-ready ups. Getting the pivot turn even inside of the 89. Now remember, you definitely need to watch Friday's video. I'm telling you, today is Mentorship Monday, but I mean, I might tell you guys something more exciting here today, but I have my doubts that it is as important as what I showed you guys on Friday with walking through how we can anticipate big turning point moves and the whole Titanic concept of turning a gigantic boat. There was a juicy DCDM in there as well. Yeah. You need to see Friday's video. I'll just say that. Today is the 30th. But Friday's video, can somebody give me, what was the date on Friday? '27th. So on the 27th, go watch September 27th live stream and go through and listen through the understanding of the triple ready up on a higher time frame, playing through. I mean, you're talking about being able to anticipate some very large moves. Now again, do you have to have them? No, you can still come over here and, you know, play the easy stuff like we just did earlier. Right, we had Moonshot 23.3 over 20 on it. You know, I definitely want to hit that. Relatively simple, easy play. You can play DCDMs, you know, no problem. We can hit J hooks with target 1, target 2, target 3. You know, no problem. However, if you want to catch the big moves, understand those plays around the big multi-ready up turns, right? Okay, that is a 18. I'd like to wait until this bar finishes here on the 89. And then I would like to take a stab at that. So I'm literally just watching for this new bar. Speaking of new bar, make sure our new bar notifier. All right, I'm gonna listen for this. I better hear a new bar audio on this thing. I hope I still don't have a bug in that. Let's see if we get a new bar notification for this one. I'm gonna zoom in here. Let's see. I better hear new bar at the end of this right here. All right, I'm seeing the 10-10 sliver. Is odd. Saw it up top here, but I did not see it here. Press F5 on this chart down below. There we go.
bands touch EM on the 38th.
Okay, so big move up, and let's see if we get a green AO, which would be a 1 AOC. And I will likely take a stab at that for a bonus trade there. The first Alpha Omega after this big move up, I will take a shot at. Looking for a big bright green AOC, or I kind of call the easy up. AOC being Alpha Omega Continuation, not to be confused with AOC Alpha Omega Clustering. Yeah, it is coffee time. I grabbed mine a little bit ahead of time there, where I grabbed after I grabbed my 3 winners, my winner chicken dinner plus a bonus. And I'll be honest, I needed to use the head. You know what I'm saying? I did have to well, I won't TMI you too much. All right, let's look for that AOC here. Floating on that bar there. We are still sitting moderate buy on the MACV Ultimate.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, there's ready up 1. Well, it depends on how you count that. I mean, if you count that 3, then we could have a big turn there on that 89. But I am looking for an entry first. King timing coming up here at about 6 bars. Okay, shift to neutral. Interesting. MACV Ultimate there. Into neutral here. DRZ cross potential. I don't know. Don't know what's gonna be right here. Go both. I'm hearing them step. Not see Alpha Omega to make it the easy entry.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Ooh, multi-ready ups, and we are neutral here, so let's see what happens. This got so close to completing, but it did not. Alright, I was talking about the 89 bar. Did not
Fib.EM on the
complete.
8.
So, is it going to make its run back up to touch? Or we get a new bar? Okay, and forget the AOC idea. That is a red. We were looking for a green here, so I don't have a read on what's happening here on this one. The best play there was the 17.2 at the time, I think, before I hit reset, was about an 18. Its reassessment was a 17. Easy target down on the red Enigma to the short side there. Another little easy winner for 10, 15, 20. Only reason I did not take it, I literally thought, okay, we'll get a new bar there, boom, get the sliver, and then that just gives me more juice to it. But sometimes you over anticipate. That is what I did. Same time, hey, I'm up. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I'm done. I am being very cautious here because, I mean, I'm done. I did my business there this morning. 10.4, pushing it back down there into Shark. That is a very smooth leg. Let's see if I get some folks trapped. There's a ready up. See how it reacts here at king timing. We are sitting on neutral.
Fib.em on the 8th.
Okay, looks like smooth leg down, stair steps up. Still biased to the long side. Waiting for that neutral to shift to green before I take a meaningful position.
Double delta EM on the 4.
Ooh, look at that. We end up going red. Okay, so it was good to lay off, and let's hold here. Let's see what happens. Let's let the market show its hand here.
Looking at the fear and
So
greed
if
index,
we do
73
get
out of
multi-ready
100
ups here.
Greed, and the crypto fear and greed index, 61 out of 100, also equally
Newsman.
And looking at the
interrupt.
VIX, currently up 2.6% at 17.39.
Okay, so are the multi-ready ups signaling a big time frame pivot? Potentially. So let's see if we get the turn to the downside or not. We are currently sell side. Let's see if we end up going full sell. When's the last time we were on sell? 9:30 at the open.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index.
Yeah, it has been a minute.
9 spots.
Speed is atrocious. It said, okay, there we go. Yeah, now it says too slow. I was like, I know it said valid speed earlier, but it was like, it's just barely valid. You know what I'm saying? Feels, yeah, very, very too slow. I'm going to put that bias right in the middle. More favorable direction. I think I'm going to center that. Going to the right. Right in the top left here. Deck. Put that, there we go. When it's slow, it's about to go. Hard to read right here though, right? Because we have had a big down move, we've also had a big up move. So which way is the continuation, right? Remember, it's when it's slow, it's gonna go. So meaning it's gonna keep going that way, but it's hard to anticipate that. We have, yes, we have, I feel like the last move was up. Same time, as much as this is grinded, it's also been moving its way down. We have shorts favorable on the day. We have a red channel. Everybody pay attention. I know we don't talk much about this because I feel like it's painfully obvious. It's on the chart, right? So it's a red channel. So we've been creeping down technically, and the last bias direction on the wave for multiple instruments tapped into red. Yes, it's saying neutral, but this could be, you know, that spot where we take off from here inside the neutral. But right now it's hard to catch a bias. If you're talking about bias time frame on the day, well, the daily says short, but it's 10:22. Is this the time to really put that much emphasis on that? Not really. Okay, finally, first cross we've seen in a while. This could be the launching point. Which way is it going to go? Let's find out. This could be it right here. They found some committals. Ooh, look though. This could be a fake up move. Why? Because the other instruments are like, nope. Let's see if this is the fake out. Currently shows sell side for other instruments. So unless the Dow is just the exception here, this could be a straight leg up trap. See the nice smooth legs up? Know me and my anti-smooth leg trust. More news at 10:30? How come I didn't see that? I didn't see news. Am I missing something? Somebody confirm for me. I see 9:45. And then the next one I see is at 1:55. Somebody confirm for me. What news are you seeing there, my friend? Got something. Somebody in the news. Somebody in the room said. Zorbon. Never seen you here before. You're new. So, no offense, but can't trust you. So, we'll trust but verify. Uh, 10:30, Dallas Fed Manufacturing. Okay, interesting. So, I don't see it on my news list. What's up with that? Okay, so thank you for giving us that 411 there. The new guy giving us some good intel. Zorbon, you have just made my nice list. He's not on the naughty list. Zorbon, thank you for that heads up there. So yes, for real, even though my newsfeed indicator for whatever reason is not showing at 10:30 news, there is a
a.m. Eastern time. We get Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index forecast minus 10.3.
All right, so got to figure out what's up with my news feed here. I'm gonna press F5 one more time. How about we come over here and press refresh? So you have the news indicator. We should be able to come over here and press update now, and it should pull the news one more time. And I have all severities checked, so high, medium, low, so it should pull it for me. But no, I do not see a 10:30 in there.
Upper bands touch EM on the 38th.
The nice list is a good place to be. Indeed, indeed.
Double delta EM on the 1.
So Forex Factory doesn't have anything till 1:55 p.m. Interesting. So Forex Factory, are you guys pulling that from Econo Day then, where you're seeing the 10:30? Interesting. So Forex Factory does not have the news in about 4 minutes, but Econo Day does. Telling you what, can't trust much these days. All right, looking for this new bar. We're gonna find out. I'm listening in closely. All right, let's all listen for it. Y'all tell me. I mean, sometimes I miss sounds. When this bar is done, I should hear a new bar notification. New bar, 89. What it should say on YM. Let's see if we get it. It's in the Discord. Yeah, so that news bot pulls from Econo Day. And then our news bot here on your, so we do have two sources of truth. So the good news is we have both sources covered. If I were to go over to my Discord, and of course I didn't have hardly anything prepared here this morning. I was late coming in, getting kids going for their homeschool and all that kind of whatnot there this morning. Went a little bit later than I wanted to in the morning. Yeah, let's see if we hear the new bar.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Turning my local sound way up. I want to hear
Double
it.
delta EM on the 1.
Okay, getting our 2-minute warning to the bottom of the hour for 10:30. A little 10:30 alert there on screen. See some action coming.
CDM EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, multiple ready ups here. We could turn. Higher time frame might be coming in. So look around. What's the higher time frames? We've got golden rope. We've got red structure. We've got middle of the ropes. So we could pivot here. Potential pivot. The news could override all of that. But we might be turning back down here. Let's see. Got my finger over the cell if we do. Thanks, Casey. Watching intently.
Remaining.
All right, here comes the news. The news could give it the oomph that we're looking for. But if we don't pivot here, man, here we go. Up and up and up. We break up above this little orange colored line up here. This is the open. We get above this now. The NASDAQ, well, at least the Dow index will be in positive territory above this area. They'll use anything, oh, it's a news excuse. We got 30 seconds. They'll have the perfect excuse to do it. If it's going to hit, this would be it. Then striking distance.
Double delta EM on the 1.
10 seconds.
Double delta EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1.
Still waiting for the data.
That's a new one. Still waiting on the data. A delayed release. Another reason something could get hairy right here.
-9, -9. Higher than forecast, -10, spot 3.
Watching that 89 bar. I want to hear a new bar notification. God, that's so loud. I know y'all can hear that coming back to the speakers. I'm sorry. I'll turn it down. Really want to hear it. A little bit of a nothing burger there on the news. Got left hand buy, right hand sell. A lot of ready ups here. This is the spot. It's going one way or the other. See, I mean, the trap right now looks to the upside. That looks like two little traps right there. So I think my structural bias would be to the short side.
Texas oil production fell 0.6% month over month in July to 5.706 million barrels per
Interesting.
day, the first monthly decline since January, according to the EIA.
Okay, new bar, and I got nothing. Okay, everybody saw that, right? You got a new bar sliver, and there was no new bar notification. Everybody get it? All right, so I still got a bug in that one. All right, we'll see what we can do about that. All right, so we got an 11 here coming into King timing.
Upper bands touch EM on the 38th.
Neutral on. This is going to be very interesting. Zoom in here. So anyone else who has the new bar notifier on, if you're on the Dow right now, did anyone else get the new bar notification? Is it just my machine, or did nobody else get that new bar notification either on that 89? You guys let me know there in the chat. Is it just me? Okay, so some people got it. Dr. Leaf, yours worked. Okay, Dr. Leaf, are you on the Dow? We'll talk to you, Dr. Leaf, specifically. Are you on the Dow, or did you get it on the NASDAQ?
J-hook long EM on the...
And if you wouldn't mind, Dr. Leaf, I'll use you as an example. Can you take a screenshot of your 89 so I see what indicators are on yours? Like, I need to see if like, something else is overriding it potentially. I mean, I've got the next rollover indicator on there. What else is on there on the 89? I'm going to take a screenshot of what I have on my 89 and I'll post it in the Discord chat. So if you wouldn't mind, take a screenshot of yours as well and show me what you've got. And I mean, maybe I might have a corrupted workspace. Like, I'm willing to rebuild my workspace there. All right, I just posted my layout there. This is what's on my 89. So curious what you have on yours. And I mean, I have not rebuilt this one in a while. In fact, I'm going to do it. Templates, save as. So I'm going to save this template as 89 live stream. Let me show you guys how I'm kind of doing this in case you guys want to. It is Mentorship Monday. It's time to learn. So I just right click, templates, save as. So I'm going to do a save as, and I gave it a name that I can remember in case I want this one back. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to load the most recent 89 template. I'm going to go here and the Tide big picture load. So this is what's coming with the most recent version. So I know for sure I have that. Let me check to make sure the new bar notifier is in that list. It is. And it is turned on. Normal voice rate. Applied. Okay. So I'll pay attention again here and see after a chart reload. Zoom into this 89 bar for a little experiment here. Okay, you posted yours. Let me take a look. Thank you, Dr. Leaf. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yours does not look any much different, but no, looks like you got the default. Okay. So I have reapplied the template from the most recent, because who knows, sometimes Some things could get locked from old stuff. I definitely did not reload the 89 from that. It's potentially, that might be my fault. So let's take a look. So some other people also said they didn't. Casey said you did not. Daniel D said you did not. Dr. Leaf, if you wouldn't mind, what version of Windows are you on? Are you on Windows 10 or Windows 11? That would be one question. Oh, you know what? One thing I talked about earlier this morning that I still have not done. Need to turn off real-time protection for speed. Got Windows 11. Okay. Yeah, I'm on 11 as well. Okay. So the usuals and the basic stuff is out of the way. All right. So I have a new reloaded template here. And check it one more time. New bar notifier. Algo voice selected on. On bar close. Cool, cool. Wait, are you saying you got a notification because it was not checked? Are you saying that I've got the opposite working on the new bar notifier? If it's checked, it's not working. If it's unchecked, it's working. Is that what you're telling me? I mean, I did not test that theory. Oy vey. All right, well, we're going to check. We're going to see what's going on. I might have a bug there. Anything is possible, I tell you. That's why they have, we have software versions, you know what I'm saying? Nobody's perfect except Jesus.
Double delta eam on the 1.
Yeah, you're not on the latest. Okay, well that's really weird. I mean, I know. I actually don't. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check to make sure I am as well. Okay, confirmed. Right, look, I am 9967. Not some double situation, so I'm on 9967. So most recent. You're not, but it's fine. Dr. Leaf, you did get it on an old version. Okay, so let me move over to somebody else. Did anyone else get it? Curtis, I know you said you got it. You've got a little bit of a different build situation there. Anybody not Curtis didn't get it either? Okay. Did anybody get it who's on the most recent version? I do need to test that theory on, well, what happens if we've got it reversed, right? If true is false, false is true. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it could be.
Double delta eam on the 1.
Let's test that theory out over here. I've not heard a new bar notifier on anything, so I'm going to uncheck algo voice on this one. And let's see if we get a new bar over here. one's pretty close to being a new bar, so let's zoom in here. If that bar completes to the upside.
Upper bands touch EM on the 38th.
Okay, we got a new bar and I heard nothing. So test one done. I'm gonna put it back to new bar notifier where it should be. New bar notifier on. So this new bar notifier isn't working for me on the wave or the tide on the Dow. Yeah, YM's too slow to get a good read right now. Yeah, and that's why. So again, easy to read in. If our system tells you it's too slow, I mean, it's the whole point is to tell you that. We can go even farther with our psychology module and have it literally do this for you to know, like, hey, don't take any trades. Up to you how you guys want to play with that psychology module, but I mentally already know, like, okay, too slow.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Triple ready up. Yeah, why not switch to RTY or NQ? Well, first of all, RTY is going to be even slower, so we know why we're not switching to the RTY, right? RTY, if this is slow, RTY is going to be even slower, but NQ could definitely make things a little more interesting. True. So on a Mentorship Monday, I'm trying to use slower instruments so I can do more teaching. So I'm just straight up telling you guys, like, mostly it's for you guys. You guys saw me last week, either Thursday, was it Wednesday or Thursday? You guys tell me, was it Wednesday or Thursday last week where we went ahead and shifted to NQ on a slow day? I pretty well crushed it there at the end. It was awesome. But yeah, it was definitely clear and obvious. You know, it was I definitely couldn't walk you guys through as much, and there's more reaction, more pivot points. So less teaching, training, more watching me play the video game, right? Which is still can be useful. Okay, yours worked after you checked it. Okay, well, I'm hoping. I'd love to hear a new bar notification right now. Okay, I would love to hear it after this one. I have had it checked. I've had it unchecked, and now I've rechecked it. So yeah, we'll see what's up. AB1's is 174 BPM on NQ. So see, it's like that one's too fast. And this one's too slow. Yeah. And the thing is, it was last Monday. No, not that I switched to YM. Oh my word. Oh, parsing words is so hard. I'm going to beat myself again. I switched from YM over to NQ because everybody voted. Remember, I had the whole There's a whole thing about, okay, you guys vote. Should I stay on YM or should I go over to NQ for you guys, right? So I'm saying the day that I switched to NQ, and there was all the things that you have to do on NQ, right? So for NQ, things like, remember I had to shift from the 8s to the 9s. Over here on the right, we have to shift our wave chart, and here from the 1s, got to go 2s. You know, there's a lot of shifting there, which is what I was suggesting, that this is why if you're really doing this without trying to teach and train everybody, then you would want to have your NQ charts and your YM charts and all that kind of stuff up. But I definitely did that one day last week where everybody voted to go to NQ, which I'm happy to do again. You guys vote, you know, you guys want to see me, you know, go ahead, and I do believe like there's going to be a play coming up here on YM. Like we have sat here for a while. 1047 has come through. But if you guys want me to do NQ, you know, I can switch over to that. But again, know that if I go there, there's less teaching and training, right? It's going to be more watching. I think it was Wednesday I did it. Yeah. But the way I'm set up for the live stream on 4K and streaming the one giant 4K screen, Dark F, I have a question for you. Why do you always take advanced trade? Because I never see you take an HMD or a plover. Is there a reason? Okay, Dark F, like today's your first day I've ever even seen you in the chat. So first of all, why don't you tell me what your Discord name is and prove to me that you're actually a member, because I'll have my doubts in you that you know what you're talking about, number one. Number two, if you have been watching my live streams, you would know about the dots on the lower time frames, which an HMD, I'm sure you know, is a harmonic dot. And if I don't have dots turned on the lowest entry time frame, because you've supposedly been listening to every live stream, because I've never seen you, implying that you actually sit around here and watch, which I don't think you do. But your implication is that you have more knowledge, which is doubtful, because you're already saying false facts, which is one of my, like, the things that piss me off most in life are people who give false facts and then base information off of their false fact. So, what's your name in Discord? Let's prove that you're an actual premium member. Number one. You're also the person who said, oh, it's going to be short all morning. And I said, you're an idiot. Did I not? So, why don't we test you before you test me? Yeah, we good? Cool, bro. Thank you. Come again. Now my guess is Dark F. We'll go Silent Bob. Let's see. Let's see if he's got some cojones today. You got cojones, or are they just velcroed on occasion?
.em on the 8th.
Good morning, Mr. Kelly.
Upper bands touch em on the 38th.
Yeah, he ain't talking anymore, so it must be Velcro balls, right? Oh, I'm gonna touch him when I want to talk.
Double delta em on the 1.
Because I want people to imply that he doesn't take his own trades. Really? There's an HMD right there. There's an HMD right there. Higher time frame. Well, how come you didn't take it? Let's see. Well, currently, where am I at? I've already done winner, winner, chicken dinner plus a bonus. So it's got to be absolutely perfect. That's not a perfect play. I pay attention to all your trades. No, you don't. If you did, you wouldn't ask that question. No, you don't. You're basing your question, and it's not even a question, your assertion. It's not a genuine question, it's an assertion. You're like, you don't take your own trade, you don't take povers. Shut the, really? You cannot fix stupid. But dude, people love running their mouths, I tell you. All right, I have got no new bar notifications on any of these. So my new bar notifier, definitely non-functional.
Double delta EM on the 1.
He ain't talking, is he? No, he ain't answering no more, is he? Oh no, man, I was just genuinely asking a question. Obviously not. No. Just another troll. Dark F reaching out to you again one more time. What is your username in Discord? Prove it. Yeah. Why don't you use your Phillips screwdriver for when you're changing your tires? Yeah, totally genuine questions. Uh-huh. Implying that you know. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Maybe I figured out something cool that you didn't know. Maybe I use a flathead for a reason. Maybe I use a paint can opener. Yep, Dark F's balls fell right off when you asked him the question back. I stay here the whole time. I've never seen you ever do a pullover or an MG. I'll tell you why you didn't, because you don't actually watch the live streams. Your implication is that you watch all my live streams. You don't. Like, I just proved it. He's not even here right now when I'm answering his question. I'm here for all your live streams. Trust me, bro. No, bro. You're not. Nice try on the troll, though, bro. Ready, why do you not use tweezers to test the wall electrical socket is working? Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's a very deep and straight leg set of downs here. So do I trust these? Nope. What is the bias? Green. So am I looking for a long right now? I am. Right. I'm definitely looking for a long. Straight leg 1, straight leg 2. I want to see a 3 and a 4. That gets all the attention of all the Muppets. In fact, what would be great is I could turn on Mike Schwartz stream right now and let's see how many Muppets are on the wrong side of this position, right? Let's go check out Mikey Schwartz and see all his little Muppets talking about their I'm going long because I feel, I'm going short because I feel this. All right, let's see how they feel today. All right, best room to trade against right here. I'll give you guys a link to Mike Schwartz's room right here. He live streams for like 9 hours a day. The guy puts out 17 videos a day with clickbait titles and thumbnails. He's like a clickbait artist. And he has some of the dumbest traders on earth sitting in his chat, but they love to talk.
Once you make $2,500, you can request a payout.
Oh yeah, talking about the payouts game.
Yeah, I still got Apex. I got 20 Apex accounts too. I need more Apex. I still have.
I got MFF accounts. I got Apex accounts. Just buy all the accounts like me, guys.
That I've brought up close to passing, and I got 20 funded accounts with them, so I can't buy any more Apex accounts. That's the only reason why I don't have more Apex accounts. I maxed them out. I maxed out my funded features. You can only have 3 funded accounts. I maxed them out. My funded features makes it where you can get 5 or 10 accounts. Then I'll add more accounts over there. No, Apex, I have no monthly fee because I pay lifetime data.
Upper bands touching on the 38.
Yes, Tommy knows. Yeah. Will the market crash tomorrow? This is like
they have a sale, $85 lifetime access.
This is like every one of his thumbnails.
$140 for all.
Will the market crash tomorrow? Oh, I gotta click on that. So every day, right? And he'll do 2 a day. He does them on Saturdays too, man. The guy never sleeps. I feel bad for him.
Look, let's talk about the cost. All right. So I think I can't remember.
All right. This is pretty deep here. I'm gonna start building into a position right here.
Discount times 20. That was $600. All right.
4 LDT and multi ready up. So I'm going to go naked on that.
660. I was all in for $3,460. So.
And we're gonna go none. we'll be adding in here.
Hey, Joe, I don't think that's right.
All right, there is.
I don't think that's for the
Delta
50K
on the
account.
one.
Might be for the 25K account.
What I'm looking for in his chat. Well, my favorite is his
50K.
chat is so dumb. Let's pop out the chat here. But they love to talk
If
and
not, I
make
got
calls. So
mine's jacked up.
let's see.
If you look at the price of the account, well, let's go look real quick. We're waiting
See
for
if
the market
anybody's
to do
made a
something
trade
weird, the
call.
chirping coming on.
They're on a specific conversation there. Okay, they're all talking about.
The sale ends on Apex today. Now they'll probably have a new sale tomorrow. I don't know what it'll be. They don't tell me up front. So look, the Daytona is $449, right? So if we add, just do simple math.
I don't know. Basically, if you want the dumbest chat on earth, like just
times
open that up, and then when two of his members agree in a direction, and they're going to go in a direction,
Delta team on
Get
the
the
one.
calculator out.
wait, don't just immediately trade against them.
Actually, you know
Wait
what?
until we get a
We're just gonna
signal
do
against that
it. Just
direction,
make sure it's- Hold on, let me.
and then take the play. Makes sense? That's the way I play
It's
it.
gonna pull up any of my personal info. Oh no, it won't. This screen won't. Okay, look. So watch. We'll come right over here. We'll do it. All right. So I picked the 50K account. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put coupon code FTT _45. Apply. All right. So now you can see it dropped it down to 246.
Oh my word, I
can
can't
you-
listen to his nonsense. Okay, so he's now shilling for whatever that fast track trading group is that literally doesn't even let you use credit cards. That should be a giant red flag, but no, it's not a red flag to idiots. They're like, you got a wire transfer. Yeah, wire transfers are non-refundable and non-reversible. So it's obviously a scam to anybody with a brain. But let's remind ourselves. Remember I said to anybody with a brain. All right, there's the first AO after the move up. So one of my favorite plays there. Now I don't like that we just shifted to neutral. Yikes, just now went to neutral. Let's zoom in on this. Building a position under these ready ups. A lot of ready ups here going on in this zone. So need to be careful. I'm going to draw in. This could be a big pivot zone. Why does this drawing tool, something is wrong with my drawing tool right now for some reason. A lot of ready ups here, and they're even down below us. So let's see. I'm hoping they tap it and pop up. That's what I'm looking for there. Okay, I'm going to half up here only because we went to neutral. My original plan was to play this while this was green. So what would I say? I'm half as confident in this as I was before. So it's kind of my little real thing, how I manage larger positions. I got to go over this a lot in live streams. Okay, and there is a cross here, so I'm going to add to my position. Still neutral. Now, if this thing shifts red, I'll kill the whole thing. There we go. Moderate buy again. Great. So, still interested in my original idea.
DCDM on the one.
All right, double cross. Gonna go ahead and add to position here. So I'm at a full 10. I got a target up here potentially for a DCDM. Got a nice trap back behind it. Straight leg up into double cross. Looking for a continuation there. Currently moderate buy. So, oh, you can pay in crypto too? Oh yeah, I'm sure. I bet they love the crypto because yeah, you definitely ain't getting your money back with crypto. At least if there's a scam potential there with banks, at least the banks can reverse it for you. So But they're like, I hope you guys pay with pay with crypto, so there's no way you get a refund. And they just flash their no refund policy at you all the time. Insert the wah wah as sound effect, yeah. Wah, wah. All right, we shifted to strong buy, so I'm hoping that helps us out here with other instruments being interested in this move as well. King timing coming up here in about it's maybe 8 bars. So what is the difference between a white label force worker located in a non-regulated country and a funded trader company? I'm going to go with the only difference. The people who shill them, other than that, they're the same. Actually, they might be the same people shilling them, so I'm going to go with there's no difference. So, but make sure you go with a big one, which is why I say if you're going to go with one, Apex is the way. Okay, interesting. 3 wise men, and we're strong buy. So that should, again, be pushing me into a buy situation here. I'm going to try to catch a bid here. Popping up and didn't even fill me. Interesting. Okay, filled. King timing, 3 wise men, 3 WM here. Let's see. It's not a super clean one because this is technically a double cross. So they're not nice and separated. And be an SB because we were on strong buy. I'm just going to remind myself later. Strong buy, SB, strong buy. Let's see. Did Curtis give us the answer? Let's see. Curtis, what was your answer? So no difference. Yeah. Oh look, dark F coming. I chatted you on WhatsApp, right? No, you didn't. No one chats me on WhatsApp. I literally only have 2 people on WhatsApp, and you ain't one of them. And the people that I have it on are in Europe. Well, I don't know. Technically the UK, so I don't know if people don't like saying Europe when I say UK. But isn't that funny? Didn't I say Mr. Velcro Balls, like, all of a sudden Velcro Balls troller, like, comes back one more time? How come I never see you? Bro, because you're not around. Because you don't watch. Open your eyes. I mean, how do you answer that? Can somebody else tell me, how do you answer that? How do you say open your eyes in a nice way? About, why don't you watch? And maybe you'll see it. Huh? Huh? Oh, on what app? Oh, okay. Not WhatsApp. He was on what app? Oh, maybe that's a problem. Oh, okay. Okay, bro. But the question was, that wasn't even the question. The question was, what is your Discord username? Prove that you are a premium member. Prove that you actually come to live streams. You're not answering that. You're what's called you're making a straw man argument. I wouldn't even call it an argument because it's not even an intelligent enough, like, phrasing to make it an argument. Like, I don't even want to give it the dignity of, oh, it's an argument. It's not even an argument, bro. I'm literally pointing out the fact that you're a liar and a troll. That's nothing else, nothing more than that. 3. 1, 2, 3, straight legs down. Nice. Good morning, Rip Wolfgang. Okay, I'm watching the neutral, so we are no longer buy side. So if we shift red, got to start cutting it. So I'm just watching right here. If we end up going red, then my whole original idea there would be wrong, and we could be busting out here and gonna have to kill. Going to have to kill it. Nasty grinder. Has he still not answered the questions? He's still not gone back and answered the questions. Hilarious. He's like, answer me. Bro, I literally did. How long did I spend talking about Dark F and giving him his information, right? And now he's showing back up. Oh, yeah. Answer me. I did. Let me try it. Let me. I'm not a D's member. First of all, not a D's. I'm assuming he means Discord, right? A DS member. Assuming he means Discord right now, because you know what happened. I don't know what happened. I don't know who you are. Literally don't know who you are. Literally don't care. But I've proven out that you're like, how come you never take a HMD? How come you never take a blower? First of all, you're starting out with false facts. Oh, never seen you do it. Why you never seen it? Because you're not here all the time. Pretending like you're here all the time is funny. Answered. And then I gave you the opportunity to prove me wrong, but you're not. You're not a premium member either. As if you have access to see all that I do to prove your point. It's not. Do I remember Cobfish? Yes. Now I recall. Yes, I remember who Cob. Are you saying you're Cobfish? I have no problem re-banning you right now. Or you want to Cobfish's friends that trolls together. Which one are you? Are you Cobfish or are you the friend? Air quotes. Are you the friend of Cobfish that's got his back? Trust me, bro. Just let him back in the room, bro. Just trust me, bro. Which one is it? Yes, Cobfish was doxing my family. Yes, doxing my family, putting my family in jeopardy. Yes, I remember Cobfish. Yes, I remember. I sent him over to my legal team. Yeah. Next. Moron. I don't know why you'd ban him. Spreading your children's home addresses everywhere. Putting your children in danger. No big deal right there. I don't see any problem with that. I don't know what the problem would be with that. Huh?
Don't lose your way.
Bruh. Huh? What are you talking about, bruh? See why it's a big deal. You can post my home address. Bro, you got nothing to you got nothing to lose. Yeah, it's funny. Like, oh, well, I could. You live with your mom. Like, well, it wouldn't matter if you posted my home address. Yeah, okay, you're too dumb to be here. Literally, I think I also said that to you. I think you were too stupid to be here. What?
Another one.
I mean, you're not special, bro. There's lots of idiots online. Tons. You're not alone. Here is
total 4.9 billion.
Here is your
bids for 3 months.
assist.
Bills,
You're not alone. Okay.
$2.1 billion.
Lots of dummies. Okay, so this is the friend, right? This is the friend. Right, not even the Cobfish, but oh, my friend Cobfish. Uh-huh. If you have balls, show us your broker status. Broker status? What is that? What? Somebody help us out. English is hard for this guy. Show us your broker status. Your broker status. Like, status. Broker status. What is that? That's not even a thing. Like, it's hilarious. You cannot get any dumber. And prove the information that Cobfish share is wrong. Bro, I don't have to prove a negative. It's false information, other than the fact that you guys are posting my home address to threaten me, to make it look like the threats and the things that come to my family are, oh, well, it's random because it's on the internet. It could have been anybody. That's the whole point of you idiots who are working with places like Day Trader Paradise, you idiots. And let's see, who are some other ones? ICT, the guy who literally threatens my family, hires people to threaten my family. And it's always people outside the US. Or, and in the case of the guy who I busted, who is literally, I've got a few more days before I get to meet him again in person in the courthouse, who's busted as AF, the guy from Georgia, Shane Fields. Dude, I just bust you guys. I don't care. Bank status? What does that even mean? Bank status? A bank status? Which bank? Do you think as a multimillionaire I have one bank? What? Listen, children. Again, you are too dumb to be here. I have stated this to you before. You are too dumb to be here. Literally too dumb to be here. I am a 44-year-old man with 4 children, elderly parents, beautiful wife, wonderful life, and I have created the #1 algorithmic trading platform in the world. And you're coming over here being like, oh, what's your bank status? Bro, that doesn't even mean anything. What would you say, broker status? What is broker status? What does that even mean? That's not even a thing either. You are too dumb to ask a question. That, like, I cannot even, my brain cannot comprehend the stupidity. It's not possible. Maybe it's, because I'm 160 IQ, I cannot understand you, bro. You don't understand me. I don't understand you. Let's part ways. I banned you before. Now you're coming back over here. Pulver. HMD. What? And now you want to turn it into the, oh, come, let's talk about the time when I doxed you and is it true? That's my home address. Anything else? One of my houses. What do you want? You want to know the addresses of my other houses too? You want to know the ones that are in a trust? You want a address to my ranch? The one with the gun range? You can take a good guess at what I do on the gun range. You know what red mist is? Okay, and he's got Velcro balls. He's not talking anymore. Go ahead and give him the old ban, the heave-hove. Ban him. They say you lost 900,000 in 8 years. Based on what? 900,000. Dude, first of all, again, $900,000. I don't even know where this number comes from. But if that is a lot of money to you, we are not playing the same game. Number one. Showing all of my total losses together, not including my winners. Like, I'm pretty sure they're showing like supposedly one set of broker statements, which makes no sense. You believe that? You are dumb. You are literally too dumb to be here. That person is a random person to begin with. That channel that you're talking about is external from the United States. They set that person up so that they can have plausible deniability. Because the guy who originally posted that is literally $500,000 in the hole from the lies and the bullshit that he pulled on me. I don't know if you know the status of that whole court case. There is a gag order around it to begin with, and that's why they're sending it off to external people to try to, oh, we're going to get Vinny. Listen, it doesn't matter how hard you guys try your lies. It doesn't work. You're dumb. I cannot solve that problem for you. If you are that stupid, walk away. I am literally the only person online who literally shows all of my trades all day long because my system is better than yours. Whatever it is that you want to come and sell us, or whatever you're jealous of, whatever you want to go and shill for, I don't care. We are #1. That's not changing. Are you upset by that? So now you want to attack my family? Because that's what's funny. You guys won't put your balls on the line and go, come into a trading competition with me. I'm letting you do it anytime, any day. I'm literally out here live streaming twice a day, showing all my stuff, not running multiple accounts like old douche face Schwartz over here, like takes his trades off screen and, oh, I've got another trade over here. Oh, I'm long and I'm short. I'm short one micro and I'm long this micro. I don't do that. I'm not trading one lots because I have real confidence in my system and my trading. Because I've been doing it a long time. And I'm a coder. Next. You're mad about it. Ooh. Ooh, cry. Ooh, cry. I'm done with all you idiots. You didn't figure that out?
Bruh.
Stay broke, bro. Just make sure you deliver my Uber burgers hot and on time, because I do love me Some Uber delivery service. Deliver it quick, bro. Get back to your Uber route. Don't let anyone tell you you're not useful, bro. You absolutely are. Yeah, thank you, Pablo. No, the thing, I'll tell you what makes me angry, is the attacks on my family. Like, you guys want to make all your bullshit assertions or whatever, that's fine. Do you have to put my children in jeopardy for that? Or children, young, not like ICT's adult children who are like, when you attack ICT's children, they aren't children. His children, air quotes here, are grown-ass adults. Adult males who are in on his shill. Or they're working for air conditioning companies. Actually, they don't even like him. They're working for, you know, AC companies, and that's the upgrade. Was working at Starbucks. Other one's sweeping floors for Frito-Lay. Other one's living in a trailer with his stepdad because they didn't like ICT. Surprise, surprise. Vinny, why did you expose that? Because people need to know he's full of crap. Oh yeah. Well, the thing is they won't even make videos about me. No. They go offshore. They pay somebody who's broke AF, like the guy who's got broken English. I don't even remember what his name is. 13 something. Broke English guy. Oh, Vinny,
Enigma short on the
What? What did he say? Oh, this book is famous, leaked, was leaked. Right, sure. Really? Where's the source? Bad man. Okay. Anything else intelligent you had to say? All right, I'm gonna half up here. Great reliable sources you have there, sir. If they're inside the US, they literally get taken to court, and literally the originating source of that bullshit is literally $500,000 in the hole and is facing jail time because I don't fuck around. I got time and I got money and I will protect my family and I will wreck you.
11:30.
The guy who's making another one, I don't even know what, I think he's outside. He's not even in the Philippines. I don't even know what country he's in, but he can barely speak English. I'm sure ICT or Day Trader Paradise, you know, paid the guy, here, put this video out, make this stuff. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. They all pay in the end. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter to me. They can't compete. We have an awesome product. They have nothing.
divergence up EM on the A.
They lie about trying to pretend like they're me. ICT's like, I coded the market. Bro, I literally actually coded the market. He's like, I coded the market. Really? Where's your evidence of that? Just trust me, bro. No thanks. All right, I'm going to size up here at the ET target. Nice, smooth, straight legs here. Yep, they pay in this lifetime or the next. That's right. Which could be soon. Give your heart to Jesus, ladies and gents, because he is the only way. All right, looks like a little inverted check here. I'm going to go all the way on that. Can somebody with proper English, if you want to have this conversation, does anyone who can speak English want to come and bring your nonsense? Because this is what ICT does. He hires these people outside the US who are desperate to do this because ICT got wrecked by me. You didn't know? Are you laughing that your English is poor? It is. I don't understand. Now you will make some justice on Cobb Flish, Dark F, and the Gurus who is bad-mouthing you? Okay, here's some English for you. If they were inside the United States, everyone who is involved in the United States is paying dearly. Do you not know what that means? Is that hard for you to understand?
The results of the 3 and 6 month bill auctions.
I didn't know that was hard to understand. Give him a second to translate. Yeah, he's got to take it over to his translator.
Double delta
All right.
beam on the 1.
Breaking the bottom there. Half and up. First ready up. Okay, we have shifted to neutral. I have not seen a tap of red yet. Much than a second, unfortunately. Yeah. Well, at least you admit it. You're trying to go and run your translator right now. Much than a second. Just so you know, in case you don't. Listen, I'm trying to help you out. That's not good English either. What do you mean? My English is perfect. What? Okay, bro. I can't. Literally. Cannot fix dumb. Like, you cannot fix stupid. I'm sorry. But it's always dumb that comes at me. Do you notice? No, I'm trying to translate myself. Okay. Like I said. It's not simple. Oh, I don't think it's simple either. But I think it's ridiculous that you want to come here, threaten my family, and run your nonsense at me in your broke ass English because ICT paid you what, $5? What did he send you? He send you half a Ripple coin? Yeah, he's a little slow on the uptake.
4.215%, 4.215%. 3-month bill bid to cover ratio 2.71, 2.71 with a high yield of 4.5%, 4.5%.
What ICT tell me he my daddy. Okay.
DCDMEM on the 1.
Okay, so now we're getting some sense. So here's the thing, Emmanuel. If you're sorry, why don't you tell me, okay, who are you? Is this your 5th account? See, it's always funny. You guys always, the ones that troll, you always have like 17 accounts too. So you're pretending like you're another person trying to back up your buddy. Oh, it's my buddy, it's my buddy. Dude, you have multiple accounts. What are you talking about? You start with what's your real name? Are you Cobfish? Are you Dark F? Are you Emmanuel Nicolini? Put your Velcro balls back on, okay? Stick them back on. Pop your balls back on, bro. Use your words. Who are you? How many accounts have you run here in the chat? Trying to pretend like, oh, it's multiple people got my back. Shut up. Shut up. Nobody here is as dumb as you, I promise. Unless you actually brought one of your friends. Well, then you're both stupid. It's not a friend, it's my mom, okay? Okay, whatever. No, I feel sorry for your mom. Or she's a lovely lady. But she's probably disappointed in you. Alright, I'm halfing up. Half and halves. Why? Because we literally just went full red. Now, if we do a 1 red tap and we go all the way back up, great. I can ride that with small account, right? I'd love to be able to like teach you guys instead of these trolls. Like, I give the trolls one more chance. Nope, you know what? It is always a waste of time. It is always a waste of time. So you guys wonder, well, why do you ban me? Why do you? Because I waste time talking to you. You literally are too stupid to be here. You're like Foster Scott. You cannot fix fucking retarded. Okay? Listen, I pray for you. I don't know why, you know, look, there is a reason for all people, right? There is literally a scripture passage that says that there are, I mean, some people sent here to burn, okay? I don't know. I think the Lord's returning soon, so I would suggest you give your heart to him, okay? I'm not perfect like him, okay? He's perfect, I'm not. That's why I need Jesus. All you people who are like, oh, he's not a Christian because they're... Dude, I'm not Jesus. I need Jesus. What part of that do you not understand? Is that hard for you too? Huh? But he says he's a Christian. He should be perfect. No, stupid. You are too stupid. You don't understand what Christianity is? Because I'm not perfect. I need perfect. What? All right, we got 3 wise men down here, and we are currently sitting negative, so it does not look like good for the up move. We should rename it to Vinny's Monday Sermons instead of the Mentorship Monday. Yeah, no joke. Only when, you know, allow the trolls to come in here and run their mouths, their nonsense. Here's the thing. The guy who said he was sorry earlier, sorry for what I said. No, you're not. Because I literally give you the chance to answer the questions. Answer the question. You're not. You're not genuinely sorry. No. You're not. You just got beat into submission. Got your ass whooped and you don't like it. You're genuinely sorry. You'd say, oh, sorry. Okay, well, here's the real deal. Okay, yes, I use multiple accounts to come over here and troll you. Do. I thought you would believe. Thought some of your guys would believe that. No, nobody's believing your dumb ass. There are some people learning here how to work through a position the way that I work through it. If you don't want to learn it, you don't get it, it's fine. Some idiot came in here like, why are you adding to losers? Again, too stupid to be here. It was my first day here. I asked where you. Literally cannot even type. Can't type, can't English. English hard, typing hard. Let me troll you. I good at troll you, Vinny. I troll you good. Really? Do you? Okay. All right, halving up here. So lots of little crosses here. We are on moderate sell, so have to know, like, that could be wrong. I don't like that it is a grinder down too. It has grinded. We should do an AOC hunt. Can anybody look around other instruments and tell me, is there an AO clustering on any other instrument? YM, well, I'm sorry, I'm already on YM. NASDAQ, Russell, ES. Why don't you close? Bro, shut the fuck up. Seriously. Why don't you close the trade? Dude, you are too dumb to be here. Capo Tico trades. What's your primary language? What is your primary language? I'm sure it's not English. If I were to explain it to you, you wouldn't understand. My first time on the stream, I gotta tell you what's up. Shut up, Brokey. Get back to your Uber route, please. Make sure you deliver my burger hot and on time, or no tip. Best tip I can give you, bro. I didn't ask you where you're from. See? I literally, see, this is what I mean. You cannot fix stupid. What did I say? I said, what is your primary language? What was your first language? DoorDash, not Uber? Hey, at least you admitted it. Thank you. Same concept. English, obviously? No, it's not obviously. When your name is Capo Tico. What does that mean in your native language, bro? You just like coconut water? Is that what you're gonna tell me next? Cause I like coconut water. Okay, bro.
Double delta EM on the 1.
$41 points? Oh, you don't know the difference between points and ticks. Folks, look, he just proved that he doesn't know the difference between points and ticks. Look, folks, he just proved he's so dumb. He literally does not know the difference between points and ticks. Prove it. He just proved it. Look, he's so stupid. Again, boy who... points and ticks. Doesn't know the difference between points and ticks. And they're literally so far apart from each other. A point is on the Dow. Somebody tell him how many points, how many ticks is in a point in the Dow. Somebody tell him. Somebody tell him. Bro, let me help you out. Let me help you out. You are too dumb to be here. You got ego and you're stupid. Literally the perfect combination of people who do not do well here. Get your shit. Get back to your Uber route and make sure you deliver my burger hot and on time or no tip. Get back to it. Bye-bye now. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 See ya. Capotico trades. Capotico trades. Capotico trades. Follow me. Follow me, bro. I like coconut water. Yep. See ya. Make sure the fries are extra salty. ICT. Intracranial trauma.
Fib.em on the 8th.
All right. Now, the best thing that could happen is if this red dot here gets cracked. If it holds, that's problems. If we wrap around that though, you know the whole thing, like wrapping it around, if you've been around a while. But the guy's like, it's my first time here, I got questions for you. Bro, shut the fuck up. Bro, you've been here trolling. You're one of the little idiots. One of ICT and Foster Scott's little bums. Those little gym bros. HYPOTHETICAL, bro. Okay, bro. You confirm the bagglers, they're a thing. Is that the fries at the bottom of the bag?
Double delta EM on the 1. Fib.em on the 8th. DCDMEM on the 1. Two-finger EM on the 38th. Double delta EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1.
Alrighty then. So, been on a call and just watching this thing go. Where'd all the trolls go? Where'd all the trolls go? I don't understand. What happened? I'm up. Does he want to count this in points? Am I 47 points up now, or is it ticks? Where's Capotico? I hope you're delivering my Uber burger, bro. Lunchtime right around the corner. 12:08. All right. Continuing. Prove our points. Kind of know what we're doing. All right. I've been out here streaming longer than anticipated. What is our schedule for the afternoon? 2 o'clock ish. We'll be back for the afternoon session. Keep you guys updated inside of Discord. I mean, literally my brain has melted from sitting there listening to so many idiots coming in the chat here today. So yeah, brain melting. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Moss Squad, Curtis G, and Eddie B, I am sitting out of the Big H Town. See you this afternoon. See ya.
The US says limited Israeli incursion into Lebanon may be...
Art team, show them how it's done.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, but the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity.
On the EM1.
I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta vibrating. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down. On freeze. Order filled. Target filled.